Right, Bob, yeah, big aeroplane. Are we going to look at the vultures and the eagles? Let's have a little go. Let's look inside. Look at the owl.
I can't see the owl. I can't see the owl.
Yeah, I don't need to see the aeroplane. You're here to see the owl. Look at him.
Hi, owl.
Wow.
Hi.
Wow.
Hi.
Look at this one. Oh, wow.
Hi, owl.
Wow, isn't it nice?
I don't go around there.
We're going to have a look to see. Oh, look at him. Oh, we can't really see him on the camera. That's a Malaysian wood owl.
I go around there.
Can't see him very well, though. There you go. Look at these bobs. Wow. Wow. Look
And
at
go
him.
round, then go round. And go round.
Okay, you want to have a little look around?
Go
Okay, look at this one.
there. No, go there. Go there.
Yeah, Bob, look.
No.
Look at him. Isn't he big?
Please get down.
What's in here? That's a raven. Oh, look. We've got a big grey owl. Look at him.
And get down.
All right.
Ow.
Hello. Wow.
Get down and go and slide.
I know, all you want to do is go on the slide. We've come here to look at the birdies, don't forget, though. Then you can go on the slides. Look at this turkey vulture.
Look, that one too.
Yeah,
Look, that one too.
big one there. Look at him.
Daddy, get down.
Yeah, it's another aeroplane. Yeah. Yeah. Don't worry too much about the aeroplanes. We are by an airport, yeah. Let's look at the big birds over here. Look at them. Right, you're happy now, yeah? Happy you're on the slides now. Oh, I wish I didn't have this here in a way, because she might have wanted to look at the birds a bit more, but it is what it is. She's happy, so you can go on the slide then. Are you ready?
Whee!
There we go. I'll catch you.
Again.
Ready? Whoa! 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 I've never been in a little park with slides when a vulture has just turned up. Off. Wow. Yeah, other people are allowed to use the swings as well. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Here we have Pat Sharp. You gonna look at us, Pat Sharp? There he is. Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh. Squawk!
Help me here. Daddy, help me. Make up.
Yeah, look. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, don't bang your head on the window.
Make up. Make up.
Hello, Mr. Polecat. You happy with your 2 snowy owls?